Hello and welcome. Today I tell you about the most important things you should have with you in the summer. So, other than sun cream, you should definitely use sun cream in the sun. You can also use sunglasses, and especially polarized sunglasses. The polarized sunglasses reduce the glare, and they're much more effective than regular sunglasses to block the light. And if you can use a hat, just something like this, any hat with the wide edges, so it will protect you from the sun. You see, my face is covered from the sun completely, and the back of my neck also. This hat is a UV protected hat, so it's even better. If you wear polarized sunglasses and any hat, give a thumbs up to this video and let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.
And now the version with the sound from the sea.
Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can protect yourself from the sun with sunglasses and a hat. First, most important, sunglasses. Polarized sunglasses. Make sure they're polarized. Polarized sunglasses. See nicely against the sun. One of these hats